All the Thanksgiving favorites, turkey, stuffing, potatoes, and more, all coming together for the perfect holiday plate. Here's how it all turned out. Fresh spiced cranberry sauce. In a saucepan, I start with water and sugar. As the sugar melts and the mixture comes to a boil, it starts to thicken and shine. Then I add the cranberries. That bright, tart color instantly comes to life. Next, some pineapple, fresh orange and spices. They bring a mix of sweetness and texture. For an extra pop of flavor and color, I stir in a packet of cherry Jello. Mix and add apples. I let it simmer for about 20 minutes, until the cranberries start to pop. Then I take a potato masher and gently mash everything together into a thick, spiced sauce. Finally, I pour it into an airtight container to chill overnight, letting all those flavors come together. Wait till you taste that spicy goodness. So good. Go to sausage stuffing. Starting off with breakfast sausage links, cooked in a little water until golden brown. Once they're cooked through, I slice them into bite-sized pieces. In another pan, I melt butter and sauté celery and onions until soft and translucent. In a large bowl, I add herb stuffing mix, the sausage, and the sautéed veggies. Then I pour in vegetable broth, add 2 eggs, and some fresh parsley. Everything gets mixed together and pressed into a baking dish. It bakes covered at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Then uncovered for 10 more minutes to get that crispy top. Simple, hearty, and full of flavor, homemade sausage stuffing. Grilled pepper turkey breast. Today I'm making 2 smaller turkey breasts on the grill, simple seasoning, big flavor. I coat each one with seasoned salt and a heavy layer of black pepper. This gives it that bold pepper crust flavor. I'm using indirect heat. After heating up the grill, I place the turkey on one side of the grill. Then I turn off burners under the turkey breasts and leave one burner on to keep the grill around 300 to 350 degrees. With the lid shut, it basically bakes right inside the grill, smoky, juicy, and full of flavor. After about an hour, it's done. I check for an internal temp of 165 degrees. Once it hits that, I let it rest for 10 minutes so all those juices settle in. Then slice it up, tender, juicy pepper turkey, grilled to perfection. Simple ingredients. Perfect technique. That's how I do pepper grilled turkey. Double take potatoes. Clean potatoes, rinsed and dried. Using a fork, poke holes all around each potato. Drizzle with olive oil and rub evenly to coat. Place on a baking tray and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour. Or until fork tender. Let the potatoes cool slightly. Slice off the top and carefully scoop out the insides into a bowl. Add melted butter, sour cream, milk, mozzarella cheese, salt, and black pepper. Mash until creamy and smooth. Spoon the filling back into the potato shells. Bake for 10 more minutes. Finish under the broiler until the tops are golden. Twice bake perfection. Honey butter veggies in minutes. Starting with about 2 tablespoons of butter, letting that melt down in the pan. Next, I'm adding some diced peppers and a little garlic. Let that sauté for a minute. You want it to get nice and fragrant. A little black pepper for some heat and salt. Now I'm tossing in my peas and corn. Give it a good mix and let it all cook together for a few minutes. And right before it's done, a light drizzle of honey to balance everything out. Mix that up until it's glossy and coated, buttery, sweet, and peppery. Simple, quick, and packed with flavor. All the dishes come together for one beautiful Thanksgiving meal. Golden turkey, creamy potatoes, savory stuffing, spiced cranberry sauce, and buttery vegetables. A plate full of warmth and comfort. A perfect way to celebrate the season. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Recipes are in the description. Enjoy!